How to replace a Human Touch PC-420, PC-600, PC-610, or PC Pro arm cap. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, remove the 3 screws that secure the arm cap to the chair. Remove the arm cap from the chair. To install a new left-hand arm cap, first place the recline controller housing into position, centered over the recline controller knob. If the chair has a control panel, place that into position centered above the chair arm. Make sure the recline controller housing and control panel stay in the proper place while installing and securing the arm cap. Now, place the left or right-hand arm cap into position on top of the arm core, then replace the 3 screws to secure it. And you're done.